Hello, welcome back again please. Today we will learn how to install R. So to install R you need to type here install R and rStudio. This has already come. Now click on this, enter to this. Here you have to look for this POSIT. POSIT is having both the things. So click on rStudio, and once you have clicked this, then you can see number 1 install R, number 2 install rStudio. Click this one and this one, and once you will click click the first one first and then second one. Once you have clicked, then it will get downloaded here, and in the downloads you can see I have already done actually these two, so these will be appearing in your downloads folder when you have clicked. Once you have clicked, once you have got downloaded these two, now you can move to your your folder, and that folder is your download folder. Now go to that folder, and in the download folder you can see R and rStudio are appearing there. Now once that is there, you can click on the rStudio. When you will click it, it will just click it and it will get executed. Just click on this and it will get executed. Just you will have to wait for some time please. It will take a little time. Now here it is asking rStudio verified publishers and all that, those things. Most probably you will have to give yes in all cases, and then you can click on the next button. Then here it is again defining the directory folder, so let it be what it is. Then click on next. Then after this the things are coming up automatically. rStudio has been given name, you can install. Then once you are installing, let it be. Now it will take a little time please, so you go on with that, and side by side it will also get done. It's doing with a good speed, so you need to have patience, and now it is done. So with this you can click finish, and once you have clicked finish, so your rStudio would be IDE will be ready there, and side by side what you can do, you can click on the R the R language also. 4.3.2 is coming up, and click on this. Let it also get installed side by side with the rStudio. So here it is getting started, so wait for a while please. Again the same thing, it is also checking about the publisher, verify it, say all the time yes, this will be the nice to go ahead, say next. So here please specify you yes or no, then click next. Startup options, do you want to customize the startup options? Accept defaults, whatsoever way it is picking up, we will be happy to have it. So here we can click on next, and let it be. It is also getting installed. And finish it. Now your both RStudio and R have been installed. Now just coming out of it, you can search out for RStudio. Come down to to your search, and in the search you can look out for RStudio. RStudio. It is here. RStudio has appeared. R language is also there. So click on this and wait for RStudio is getting started. So just wait, the screen is appearing. It takes a little time actually, just 1 minute, and it is asking for something here. Please select the version of R that you will use. So let it be, because see 64 everywhere, so we can go with that. And here 1 or 2 has been given, 2 has been kept at the priority. So let it detect automatically. We will just say OK. Click on the OK button, and then I have clicked. Just wait. Again, it is also taking time. Doing. R has appeared. Your screen is appearing, and now it is getting activated. Environment setup is being done. So here this has appeared. So when once you have installed, your RStudio has come up. Now you can do your programming. So this way you can install your RStudio and R. Now this is one thing. And if you have not installed, if you are not very much keen to install your R and RStudio, because sometime you would be working away from your computer, maybe on others' computer, maybe in office or somewhere else, then you can go on the website as well. So in the website, as I have already said, click on the go to your ModTech website, and in the website you can see just a minute, you can see that we have got, I'll open ModTech site, ModTech computer group, and now I'll log in. And this is another way of doing it, please, if you are not very much interested to install your IDE and R language, RStudio and RStudio IDE and R language, then you can just directly go to this compiler, and here in the compiler you got this language selection, and go down here till R, and in the R has been selected, and now you can program here. And once you will be doing this, and you can just click on the run button, and you will get the output of the program. So normally you can do for when you are away from your computer. So you have got both the way. So that's all for our installation. Thank you very much for seeing this, please.